president of Secrets, Mr. Rex Una.
Thank you, Mr. Rex Una. What is your question?
So this is a pretty common question and a simple one. So paano sasabihin sa kaibigan mo or yung katabi mo na mabaho?
Very relevant. Thank you. Paano mo sasabihin sa kaibigan mo or sa katabi mo na mabaho ang kanyang chemi? Alright, we are going to start with our contestant number 2. Please answer.
Hi, Judge. Thank you so much for that question. Ang susi po para masabi mo sa kaibigan mo na mabaho ang kanyang kilikili ay emotional intelligence. Again, dahil merong gusto kang sabihin, dahil gusto mong umangal, hindi pwede mo sabihin na basta-basta na lang, tangina mo, ang bango mo. Hindi pwede nang ganon. Again, tayo ay pinalaki ng maayos, pinag-aral ng maayos. So, kailangan sabihin natin, very, very respectfully, hoy, tangina mo, ang bawa ng pelikula mo. So again, it's in the tone, in the manner. Sabi nga ng aking dialect coach na si Inka Magnaye. Sabi niya sa akin, ikaw na ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw na ba ang love of my life? Ikaw na ba ang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake ko? Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Arvin. We're going to go with contestant number 3. Please, same question.
When I was a sergeant at arms in our student council, way back when I was in high school, it is my task na magkaroon ng magandang relationship ang mga magkakaklase. Hindi mag-aaway-away, hindi magpaplastikan sa iba't ibang sections. That is why, as your brand ambassador of the Jabbar deodorant, it is my proposal to entice people to have more empathy. Like for example, when the pandemic happened, social distancing is talaga namang bongga. Hindi tayo nagtatabi-tabi, hindi natin naaamoy ang hininga at ang kilikili ng ating mga katabi. That is why I propose na para masabi mo sa katabi mo na merong hindi ka nais-nais na amoy, kailangan mo siyang kalabitin with consent. Hindi mo, kakalabitin kita ha? Sure! May sasabihin ako, huwag kang ma-offend. Darling, hindi maganda. And that empathy will flourish. Kaya naman, when I had a meeting with you know, the Department of Health, sabi niya sa akin yung Undersecretary, sabi niya, oh, this one is really nice, huh? Sabi niya, because I am real though kid. I can handle my shit. Diba? They said, babe, you gotta fake it till you make it. And I did. So kahit mabaho, kailangan mong tiisin for a while. Pero maghanap ng tamang timing. And Jabbar is the right timing. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Kilikili. And contestant number 1, please. Share your answer.
Thank you very much, Judge, for that trick question. Why do I believe that is a trick question? Because if you select me as your brand ambassador, mauubos ang mga bababaho sa buong Pilipinas. You will achieve your 3-year penetration targets in 3 months. 100% market share. Kabahan na si Rexona. But, kung sakali na merong 0.1% na mabago pa rin, well, I do not agree with contestant number 3. I believe there is no room for empathy. I believe that we should all resort to violence. Correct. Deserve niyang mamatay. And when I attempt to murder this person na hindi pa rin gumagamit ang produkto niyo, Mr. Judge, I will say to him, she's smiling like she used to smile way back then because patay na siya.
Thank you, Ms. Tawas. Just a quick announcement, everybody. The thoughts and the answers do not represent everyone as well. Alright, and we have one